Hey, welcome back to our area of a regular polygon video series. Our area formula is 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. And in this video, we're given the apothem. So this apothem is 15 inches, which means that I really need to find the perimeter. So how am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to cut this into triangles. So there's one triangle, and I have my apothem. So let me redraw this. Got this right triangle. Got my apothem of 15. And we're going to end up using some trigonometry to find the perimeter. So where's the perimeter on this triangle? Well, I need the side length. So I need this part right here. I need that side. So the first thing I need to do is find my central angle. Because to use trigonometry, I need an angle measure. So I'm going to find the central angle, this angle right here in the middle of my regular polygon. And how I'll do that is I'm going to take 360 degrees divided by the number of sides. So the whole central angle is 60, which means that each one of these two halves would be 30. Okay, and how am I going to find that side now? Well, let's identify what sides we have. I have the opposite side of my 30-degree angle. I have the adjacent. I don't have the hypotenuse. So what I need to do is find what trig ratio I'm going to use. So SOHCAHTOA, I have opposite and adjacent. I'm going to use tangent. The tangent of 30 equals opposite over adjacent. And when I cross multiply, 15 times the tangent of 30 is going to equal x, or 1x. So 15 times the tangent of 30 is 8.66. I'm going to move some of this out of the way. 8.66 is my opposite side. So this is 8.66, which means that this is 8.66, which means that a side length is 17.32. And I'm still not done because what am I trying to find? I need the perimeter. So if one side is 17.32, I'm going to multiply that by the number of sides, 6, to get 103.92 inches. Okay, so let's kind of recap what we did here. I started out by drawing that triangle in my shape. I found my central angle was 60. And then I used my central angle to find the opposite side, doubled it to find the whole side of that hexagon, and then found the perimeter. Let's do this one more time. I'm going to draw in my triangle. And I need to find the central angle. In order to do trigonometry. 360 divided by 8 is 45 degrees. So this whole central angle is 45, which means that my two parts of that isosceles triangle would be 22.5 degrees, because this is split in two. I have the apothem of 10. I really need the side length. I need this part down on the bottom. So let's identify our sides. I need the opposite. I have the adjacent. So opposite and adjacent, tangent. Okay, so the tangent of 22.5 equals the opposite over the adjacent. So when I cross multiply, 10 times the tangent of 22.5 would get me this opposite side is 4.14. So I have 4.14, 4.14, which means one whole side is 8.28. So if one side is 8.28, what would all 8 sides be? I'm going to take 8.28 times 8 to get 66.24 yards. And then from there, I can do my 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter to find the area. Let me know what questions you have. Send me an email or ask me in class, and I will see you in a couple days.